Yeah, you can buy a set of 2000 Apple brushes for $30, but you can't understand the full potential until you made it yourself, and it's not that hard, so no excuses. Welcome back to But Better episode number 1, and today we are making not 1, not 2, not 4 and not 5, but 3 types of alpha brushes for every situation you have or whatever. And if you watch till the end, you might become the alpha Chad sculptor. With all that being said, let's make this, shall we? So first of all, you need reference photos. I like to use pixabay.com, cause it's free. Today I'm gonna be making under eye wrinkles. So first of all, open up Photoshop, new file, whatever resolution you want, but make sure it's square. Import your photo, and crop up the section you want to work with. So first method is pretty straightforward and very easy. I used it a lot when I had to speed sculpt something very fast. So first isolate the area you want to make a brush. Select base photo, then go to filter, others and high pass. Dingle the slider till you bing bang boom, play with brightness and contrast. After that, blur your image, so it wouldn't have too much small details. And that is the result for first one. Import it as an alpha brush, stencil, whatever you desire. If you don't know how to set it up, just follow after me. And as you can see, it has too much details on it. Those kind of micro details should be added with normal maps if you want them to look nice. So you have to smooth it out and make big wrinkles more defined. And that's it. Whole process took less than a minute to make, and I'm sure even beginner like you can make it. Let's level up and make a slightly better one. This time you need to duplicate your base photo, add high pass to first one, but keep radius high so it would have outline of big eye pockets and wrinkles. And for second one, make radius of high pass low, and make it overlay, so when combined it would have both big and small wrinkles and imitate the depth of them. So as you can see, I was going with 3 layers at first, but the 2 layers are enough, but you can go as many layers you want. After that, reduce the noise for both layers to get rid of unnecessary details. Now you need to blur the image. Base layer need to be blurred quite a lot, so you just see the general features. Second layer need to be blurred less, then brightness and contrast, and you done. And as you can see, it's a lot better than previous one, and can be used for small projects, or when you have limited time. But if you want even better, you came to right place. This is the ultimate way of alpha making. First of all, you need to open up Blender, create a new file, and give birth to a plane. Use Multires or Dino-Topo, and make it high poly. After that, you need to use previous alpha map and use it as a guide. Smooth it out and just start drawing. Make wrinkles more defined and realistic. Obviously it takes quite a time, but once you finish it you can reuse it, and don't be ashamed. Now new camera, reset rotation. Change the resolution to 1080 by 1080. Put your brush in a frame and go to layer properties and enable mist underpasses and data. Go to camera and on viewport display check mist, and on world properties and correct the start and end of mist pass too far or too close to the object called not work, and render it. After that being done, we are almost done. Now go to composing, connect mist to an image and invert it. Now add RGB curve and adjust the values till you satisfied and save it. And with that we are done. Now you have 3 alpha maps that you can sculpt with or make a collection of 1000 and sell it online so you can make money. Do you know what else can make you a money? B-roll.